Okay, we are ready to let's lay out this vent system. Okay, my vent system is going to be another plan. I'm going to have a vent plan view. This is my sanitary plan view, and I'm going to have a I want to move this elevation out. All these guys, huh? Okay. I'm just moving these elevations out. So the next view is going to be my next, let's say, sheet or floor plan, and the plumbing drainage system is. I'm going to duplicate this. Is going to be my vent system. So I'm going to right click and duplicate this view and call it my vent system. This is going to be vent and rename. It's going to be my vent system. And the difference is going to be system, of course, but the most important thing, I think, when these two are separated is the view range. Because in the sanitary is going to be below the floor, vent system is above the floor and in the ceiling space. So I don't like to put those two on the same drawing if I can help it. If it's a small drawing, something like that, but if it's like 4 or 5 levels, then it becomes, how do you manage that? So the best way for me to manage it is to put them on different sheets, because there I can control my view range. And for sanitary, it's at 7 foot, but I'm going to start my vent system above the floor. Okay, so that way we can control. So my view range for this is the vent plan, floor plan, and this is sanitary waste or sanitary plan. And I'm gonna not show that drawing, and I think I need a section view. Let's go here and let's go back and let's set this up so that on our vent system I don't want to see any drainage. So we're gonna go for first, let's make that 0, 0, and I need to go up in the ceiling space, so let's go 11 for starters. Okay, what's this? I guess I don't mind. I said 5S. Okay, so you see those pipes went off. I'm going to filter even more, and I'm going to go to visibility and filter out the sanitary, but I need to add it first. Let's go back. Edit new. What's going on here? Okay. Let's do this. Let's edit new, and we are going to go sanitary. I'm going to right click on this and duplicate it and rename it. Let's rename it. Since I have SS, I'm going to name it SS. Okay, and we're going to go over here, show all. Do I want just piping list? Hide unchecked. I think I want to go back, because there's a certain filter or category that I need, and I think it's systems, piping systems. So let's work on this system, vent system. let's duplicate, and I'm gonna call it, rename, I'll just call it V for vent. Okay, so we have those two. I'm gonna say okay to this, and okay to this. This is a vent system. Let's see what's going on with the sanitary. Let's go back and look at our filters. Okay, I haven't set them up yet. So now's a good time to do that, huh? I'm gonna go back, vent system, we're here. Let's look at our filters. Let's edit our vent. Okay. I think there's a system I keep forgetting. There is this vent system. Where are we? Let's go down and look. Okay. Piping systems. I'm gonna duplicate this and call it V. Okay, this is our vent. Let's go back to our filtering. So it looks like this is gonna, how do we filter out our systems? Okay, I was gonna draw the vent system, but as you can see, everything needs to be set up as much as possible. Let's go to filter, edit new, vent, and let's go down and choose the category that we need. Let's go all the way down to pipes. I think this one, piping systems. Pipe accessories, pipe fittings, pipes. Okay, so we're gonna move to classifications, and we want, C, contains vent, system classification, system name. Let's go back, system, piping system. I think, I'm gonna say okay, no, cancel. I'm gonna go here. I think it's system type. Let's go back and filter. This is what happens. Nothing's polished here, guys. We're going through the same type of exercise. You have to go through these exercises. I'm not copying and pasting before I get on here and do these videos. I mean, I have an idea about what I'm doing, but a lot of times I'm just trying to figure out things. So I think we're going to go system type. Now, when I choose this filter, I'm looking for system type. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to go here. Now before that wasn't there. Piping systems. No. I'm going to cancel. Let's go back and let's do this again. I know I need system type, and here, and let's go here. Now this was there before. System type was not. Okay, so let's see why, if I choose the category, these are the categories, and maybe system type is down here. No. Piping system. Let's just go system type here. This system type, and V contains It should come up here. Contains equals V. That's what I'm looking for. Now we on the right track, I think. I hope. Let's do another one. Let's say okay to this. And okay, and I'm gonna come back. I think I'm just gonna do this one. Let's filter and add my vent. Let's say okay to that. So that's, I don't know what enable filter means. Let's do another one. Let's do sanitary. Now that I know how to do it, let's come all the way down. Pipes, piping system, contains, what was it? Equals, I think. Equals SS. Okay. No. Let's go here. Pipe, system type, and we can go SS. Yes. Equals. Okay. Got that. Got that. It's okay. And I can add it. Let's go here. Add. Yeah, that was a good idea because I need to turn off the sanitary sewer. Okay. And let's say okay. Let's say okay. Now here's a sanitary pipe. So I'm going to go back into the filters and turn that name off. Turn the visibility off. Because I only want it to show, I don't want sanitary showing up on my vent system. Go off. What's this one? What's that? System type SS. System type SS. Let's go back. What happened? System type SS is off. Off, edit, SS, system type equals SS, and now I don't know why I got everything. That should, okay, vent. Okay, this should be off. That system type should be off. That system type should be off. Let's see. I'm gonna go back. Turn. Where's my filters? Nope. Where's my filters? Filters. If I turn it back on. Can I? Thought I could move that. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Man, maybe it's down here. Okay, so I turned it back on. Something came on. Man. Need plumbing. Let's go here. See what's, that's sanitary. Okay, and if I go to visibility, does it go through? No, I'm gonna add. Okay, this one, control, that one, say okay, and turn off sanitary. Okay, so that goes off. So when I go into the vent, let's go visibility, sanitary's on. Let's turn it off. Man, I don't know what's going on. Geez, that is not, I don't like that. What's going on? System type is SS. So I'm going to do this. Let's go here, filter, SS, let's turn it on, okay, and let's go here, create similar. I don't want any sloping, I just want to test what's going on. So now, go back to filter and turn off sanitary. It does. I'm doing something wrong. Filter. Let's turn it on. Okay. Okay. And if I go here, okay, and do PI, okay, here, I'm going to make this vent PVC, go down to change my system type to vent, okay. Now, what I'm going to do is go into the filter. I'm testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Turn off. I don't get it. I'm not getting that at all. Something is not set up. Resume. Okay, I'm going to try something. I'm going to try something that I think might be the problem. I hope that this is the problem. Let's see what happens. This enable filter. So do this, do it. So enable filter says turn it off. I don't have an event, so I don't know if that's not good. No, keep that on. So all of these guys should go off. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Oh man. So that's filtering for you guys. You have to enable filter. I don't understand that. The visibility enables. Okay. Okay. I'm going to stop. Okay. So this is our vent piping, and our view range is okay. Associated level. I think that has something to do with changing the names of something. I don't exactly know what that is, but I'm going to leave it at that. So, that's that, guys. It has to do with filtering and how you set up your systems with filtering. And always enable filters. You have to keep this check on. For some reason, you have to keep that on. Enable filter. Well, what's this other check mark for? Not to. There must be some kind of some use out of this. Enable filter. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.